Ang programang ito ay inihatid sa inyo na Robinsons Mall. Great value for your money. Amber Home. Elegant yet affordable housing. Haima Auto World Philippines. Drive it to believe it. Celtic Colleges. We teach, we train, we touch, we transform. At Ellen's Aesthetic Center. Let Ellen's take care of you.
Panginoong may likha ng lahat, pinupuri ka namin sa ngalan ng iyong anak na si Hesu Kristo. Hinihiling namin na kami gabayan ng iyong mapagpalang presensya. Nananalangin kami para sa kapayapaan at pagkakaisa sa aming pagtitipon. Naway kami iyong kaawaan at bigyan ng pag-unawa at sana'y biyayaan ninyo kami ng inyong banal na espiritu. Naway buksan mo ang aming pag-iisip at ang aming mga puso na tanggapin ang iyong grasya. Iniaalay namin sa iyo ang lahat ng aming gawain sa pang-araw-araw. Amen.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka lang magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilagang awit ka, paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagsililing. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati sa sinta, tuloy langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You have been watching UHF CLTV 36, a commercial broadcast station wholly owned and managed by the Central Luzon Broadcasting Corporation, authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission, with permit number BSD-0064-2007, with a power of 10,000 watts. The CLTV 36 transmitter, studios, and offices are located as the CGIC Building, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Maintained and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Master Control Switchers, Engineer Julian P. Gueco, Electronics Engineer License Number 52796. Engineer Pamela Yugulao, Electronics Engineer License Number 53332. CLTV 36 is a proud member of the Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas. All programs have been approved for broadcast by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Programs telecast on this station may not be used for any purpose except exhibition at the time of their broadcast on receivers in places where no admission, cover, or mechanical operating charges are made. This is CLTV 36, your regional TV station. Now signing off.